Hey there and welcome back to Truly Cooking. Today Lauren will be baking some really cool banana oatmeal cookies. This is a great way to get rid of your overripe bananas instead of throwing them away. You want them to be nice and dark on the outside like these ones, and you will see when you peel them that the inside is all squishy and mushy. This type of overly ripe bananas are perfect for making sweets, and the browner the banana gets, its concentration of antioxidants increases. This is the perfect cookie to have for breakfast or a snack, so stick around until the end to see how easy these awesome cookies are to bake. Okay, we will start with our dry ingredients first. In a medium-sized bowl, start adding the salt, the cinnamon, mixed spice and baking powder and give it a gentle mix. Usually in baking they mix the dry ingredients first together in a bowl and the wet ones in a different bowl so that I can incorporate the dry ingredients into the wet ones at a later stage. Then, using a large bowl, add the softened butter and sugar and beat on a high speed until light and fluffy. You want the butter to become lighter in color, and this shows you're on the right track. Try to keep everything inside the bowl, unlike Lauren here, geesh. An easy hack for this is to cover your bowl with a dishcloth to stop the butter and sugar from jumping out. Scrape down the sides of the bowl and then add in the egg. Beat the mixture again until everyone gets to know each other and it becomes smooth and creamy. Coincidentally, this technique is also called creaming the butter. Just don't overmix it as the butter will start separating and you really don't want that to happen. Alright, moving on to the bananas. We want to peel 3 of our beautifully ripe bananas into a small bowl and using a fork mash them up. It just needs to be a rough mash as when we add them to the cream mixture all the ingredients will be nicely incorporated. Go ahead and add the bananas to the cream mixture followed by the vanilla essence and give it a good mixy mix. Talking about bananas, here are some things you should know when baking with them. It is very important to wait until they are 100% ripe. When you purchase bananas from the store, you will notice that they are pretty easy to peel and sometimes even greenish in color. These are very good to be eaten raw, but have not yet developed the sweetness that we want for baking. Let's get back to our cookies and give the bowl another scrape down and we are ready to move to the next step. Look at that creamy banana mixture. We're going to add the dry ingredients alternatively with the oats into the cream mixture. Add little by little and then fold everything together. If you want to bake these cookies right after watching this video and don't have any ripe bananas at home, then we got your back, fam. You can ripen your bananas in the oven. Simply place your bananas on a baking sheet at 150 degrees Celsius for about 15 minutes or until the skins have turned black. Then just simply scoop out the insides and there you have it. Now this cookie dough has to rest in the fridge for about 30 minutes. In the meantime, preheat your oven at 160 degrees Celsius or 320 Fahrenheit. After resting in the fridge, the cookie dough is now ready to be placed onto a prepared baking sheet. You can line it with parchment paper or use a silpat mat like we have used here. Using 2 teaspoons, place the banana oatmeal mixture onto the tray, making sure there is enough space between these cookies. Remember social distancing. You should be able to fit about 12 cookies on a tray. Okay, I think these cookies are ready to now go into the preheated oven and bake for about 8 to 10 minutes or until golden brown. Okay, drum roll please, and these are the most scrumptious, delicious banana oatmeal cookies. Look at that and do a happy dance. Ideally you should let them cool before eating them, but Lauren obviously couldn't wait and had to try one out straight from the oven. I guess you can say we went bananas about these cookies. As you can see, they are easy to make and you can trust me, they taste amazing. I don't really have a sweet tooth and I don't really like cookies, but these ones are great and kinda healthy-ish. Thank you for watching and see you next time.